Thanks, you guys, for getting back to me so quickly about your concerns with the Hyperdoc, which are fantastic questions. So I'm going to go over here to 7B English, and I want to point out a few things. Ms. Davin will be under classwork creating an assignment page for you guys. Because notice right here, your fantasy story material is only in materials. That just means it's a reference. It's not an assignment. When she changes this to an assignment, which means a clipboard icon, then you can do some the things that I was telling you about in the other video. So in the interim, all right, just to anticipate her doing this assignment, go to people, and you're going to notice over here the email addresses of your friends. Now, these are not synchronized just yet. I'm going to be doing that over the summer to complete the phasing from Office 365 to Google Classroom. So I appreciate your patience. However, these are the correct emails of your friends. So just write them down, Ella, Burnside, 2021 at students.hrs-ken.org, all of that fun stuff. Okay, so those are the usernames that you will be using within your Hyperdocs. So if I go over here to my apps again, I click on my apps, I go to my docs. I already have a doc set up for Eliza's team, okay? Then what I'm going to do is go over here to the share button again. And notice I've already added these guys. So the first time that you put in your friends' emails, what will happen is it will automatically save them. They're all editing this particular document. If you have the wrong person in the email, you could always cross them out on that X, and then they're no longer, adding to this, all right? If you're unsure that they got it, go over here to the shareable link. Copy that link, go over to your email, click on a new message. All right. I'm going to give this to Eliza as a tester. Here is the Hyperdoc link. Okay. And I would just say, click here. Now, you can either Control V, to give her the whole link and then she uses that, or you can highlight the words and come down here to the link icon and insert the hyperlink that way too. So you have two options, the quick and easy, Control V, or line them up and then hyperlink those words. Okay, so I'm just going to discard this, but then that way I know she's going to get that Hyperdoc. Okay, if you're operating with friends who are using their smartphone apps or their iPad apps, it's best if one of you is on a laptop or a desktop and you generate the Hyperdoc from there. Then you share the hyperlink through the Office Outlook, all right? And send them the shareable link. So that way they open the shareable link on their smart devices and it's there within their apps. It'll integrate with their apps. If you are only operating off of smartphone devices and iPad, I will try and get that tutorial out to you guys today. But it's important that you guys understand that these are the first times we're using some of these systems. So first time is always going to be a little bit trickier than anytime subsequently. It'll just be there. Okay, so once they all show up, you can chat with each other down here. See how I can chat with anybody. I can hide the chat. I can add comments. I can always see the past and the history of the file. So within the hour, so I'm here within the hour, Miss Davin's already viewed it. I just need to wait and see where Eliza and the rest of her team are. Okay, so this is hopefully going to help a little bit more. I will have, as I said, another tutorial on the apps, but this is not through the apps. This is through the web browser, Chrome and Google Classroom. It's a little different, an app versus a browser versus an extension. Okay? All right, hang in there, you guys. Talk soon.